Hey! What's happening, YouTube? Wow, it's been a long while since my last video. Lots of things have changed. Now, just want to let you know, this is not a robot. This is me proving to a robot that I am not a robot. This is how I speak, you idiot. Just kidding. I know. It's been years since my last upload, but you see, there are a lot of things in my life which I really don't have a control on. But anyways, there's going to be a lot of changes. From this point on, I won't be able to do woodworking since I live in a condo building now. I really don't have the space for my power tools, plywood, and wood planks. And I don't think the neighbor's going to be happy with the racket that woodworking makes. So, I think we are going to stick with technology videos and gears. It still falls within my niche,
Also,
right? I'd like to keep myself busy by editing videos and photography, instead of online gambling and taking drugs, right? So welcome everyone to the most versatile video editing software in the world. Davinci Resolve. 4 years ago I've started using Davinci Resolve, but I had a hard time with the steep learning curve. Transitioning from Adobe Premiere Pro to Davinci is more complex than the mysteries of the universe. You see, the earlier versions of Davinci is not for somebody who has the patience of a 9-year-old. But now, haha, I am on Davinci, baby! You see, there are tons of advantages in using Davinci Resolve. First, it uses more GPU than CPU. So my moderately powered laptop can handle most, if not all, the tasks in Davinci, something that is not possible in Adobe Premiere Pro. That's me working on my laptop instead of my desktop, even if I'm at home, because I'm too lazy to sync them files over the cloud. Second is it's free. Premiere Pro will cost you one of your testes for a monthly subscription or a license. Lastly, and I think this is where Davinci Resolve really shine, is the color grading or color correction for videos. If you like to capture your videos in flat profile and color grade it in post, you can apply the color grading in Davinci with ease, giving you full control of how bad you want your video to look. To sum it all up, I made this video to practice on editing videos again since it looks like I will be using it a lot in these coming months. So if you're here and you thought this will be a tutorial video about Davinci, I really am so sorry. Keep searching. Google is your best friend. And by the way, what do you think of this AI voiceover? Let me know.